Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to manage your PhonePe rewards. Many users wonder if they can sell their PhonePe rewards coupons for cash. It's important to understand that most PhonePe rewards are designed as cashback or discount vouchers for specific transactions. They are generally not directly convertible to cash and often have an expiration period of 1 year from when they were issued. To get the most out of your PhonePe rewards, focus on using them for their intended purpose. You can apply cashback towards mobile recharges, utility bill payments, or purchases on various partner platforms. Discount coupons offer immediate savings on eligible transactions. Always review the specific terms and conditions of each reward to ensure you use it effectively before it expires. While direct selling of rewards is limited, there are alternative ways to extract value. If you possess a PhonePe gift card balance, consider using it to purchase digital gold within the app. After a brief holding period, typically 24 to 48 hours, you can sell this gold and have the proceeds credited to your bank account. Additionally, certain brand-specific gift cards acquired through PhonePe might be sellable on platforms like Zingoi, provided they include a valid card number and PIN. When exploring options, exercise caution. Be skeptical of websites or individuals claiming to buy PhonePe rewards directly for cash, as this often goes against PhonePe's terms. If using a third-party platform for selling gift cards, always verify its authenticity to protect your information. Remember, PhonePe's primary rewards are for in-app usage and discounts, not for direct resale.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.